Cleave House by DADA Partners in New Delhi, India. Cleave House reinterprets the conventional courtyard typology on a squattish 1800 sqyd site. It relies, instead, on multiple optimized, sliced voids so as that bring in light and ventilation to all spaces of the home. A metal and wood carapace along the facade squares off these subtracted voids and returns the composition back to its original cube-like volume. The house is a two-story house for a family of 4 with a total built area of 8,000 square feet. A deep and narrow incision on the east helped create the linear bamboo court that brings in the morning sun into the heart of the house. The squarish compa court towards the west captures the animated evening sun. The bamboo court is flanked by a passage along its edge and helps connect the formal lounge, the stair hall all the way to the kitchen along the end of the house. While the family lounge, dining room, and puja room are all pivoted around the western court. Both these courts converge near the entry lobby of the house and connects the visitor with the outside view. On the upper floor, the family lounge is fronted by a long north-facing terrace. The generous space is wrapped with seasoned hardwood slat screen and steel girders on top and bottom, creating a sense of enclosure and privacy for this socializing space. Gray microconcrete coating, white stucco walls, metal, and timber define the tectonics of Cleave House.